Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's problem is count number of nice subarrays. Let's see what the problem is. So in this problem we are given an array of integers and an integer k. A continuous subarray is called nice if there are k odd numbers in it. Return the number of nice subarrays. So basically what the problem is that we are given this array and we have to find out how many subarrays are there where k odd numbers are present. Okay, for example, if k is 3 here, so in this array, if you see, these are the two sub arrays where you see that there are three odd numbers 1, 1, and 1, and 1, and 1. Okay, so there are two sub arrays where you have k odd numbers. So I hope you understood the problem. Let's see how we can approach it. Okay, so see, we have to let's see what from the problem how we can approach. So in this problem we have to find sub arrays, right? We have to find out the count of sub arrays, the count. Okay, and we are given that if we are given a condition that okay, there should be let's say k odd numbers. Okay, this is the condition which is given to us. So the main thing in this problem is that we are given sub arrays and we have to find out the count. So in such kind of problems, right, we can think of using hash map. How? See, let's say we are only concerned with odd numbers, right? So in obviously either a number can be odd or a number can be even. So what if we convert this problem into something like that odd numbers, wherever odd numbers are, I will replace it with 1, and wherever even numbers are, I will replace it with 0. Why? Because we have to find out k odd numbers, right? So if odd numbers are 1, so k, we have k, right? So what will be the, so basically if all the odd numbers are replaced by k, okay, so you can see that we have to basically find then uh where sum is k. Okay, so see, if you didn't understand, don't worry, let's see. In the problem, you are given to find sub arrays. You have to find sub array where k odd numbers are there. K odd numbers. That is, an array will be there. Okay, let's say some this array. Okay, what we are doing here is we are replacing the odd numbers by 1 and even numbers by 0. So something like this will be there. Now k odd number, let's say we have k as 2. Okay, so here there is this sub array. This is one sub array where there are two odd numbers. Then there is this sub array where there are two odd numbers, and there is this sub array where there are two odd numbers. Okay, so three will be the answer. Here also, if you see, if this is the array, we have to find. We will have to, so see we have replaced the odd numbers by 1, right? So we have to find here sub arrays having some k, because we wanted to find k odd numbers and odd numbers are now replaced by 1. So if you see here having some k, so k is let's say 2. So here this will be one sub array. Okay, this will be one sub array, and this will be one sub array, right? So I hope you understood it. So now let's see how we can try it. Let's try it. Okay. So I hope you understood. Like here, what we are doing is we have to find k odd numbers sub array. We have replaced all the odd numbers by 1. So now we have to find sub arrays having some k. Okay, because now odd numbers are represented by 1, and we have to find out k odd numbers array we have to find, right? But now we have replaced all the odd numbers with 1, so we have to find sub arrays having some k. So okay, now let's try that. Okay, so we have 1 1, this array we have this array 1 1 2 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. K is equal to 3. Okay. So now what we will do is, we have this array, right? We will replace all the odd numbers with 0 or with 1, and all the even numbers with 0. So this is odd number, so this will be 1. Then this is also odd. This is even, and this is odd, and this is odd. Okay. So this is our final array now. Now this problem is reduced to subarray having k sum. Okay. So I have already created a video on this problem. So I will give the link in the description. So this problem which was given to us, right? Subarray sum, subarrays having k odd numbers, right? We have reduced it to subarray having k sum. So I will give the video link in the description. You can check this video. I have made like a whole dedicated video on this problem. And this problem, if you cover this problem, a lot of other problems will also get covered. Okay. So let me know in the comments if you have any doubt. If you found the video helpful, please like it, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.